sa Lusa.
In the right place, you came to get sprayed. To the track from Big Tank. Trust me, I can. Professional when you're about to know.
Ito naman ang Team Mars with Mark and Nina of Team Diva.
Better get ready, 'cause this what you're gonna get. Any way you want it, we can take it to the window. Too wild. First kiss, when a little right.
Kasama naman ng Team Imuseño, sina Joshua and Barbie of Team First Time.
Once she gets a little touch, if I had it my way, you know that I'd make her say. She won't ever get enough. If I had it my way, you know that I'd make her say. She won't ever get enough. When she gets a little touch, if I had it my way, you know that I'd make her say. When she gets a little touch, if I had it my way, you know that I'd make her say.
Ready na kayo?
Sobrang ready na.
Eh, Mark, hindi mo naman the first time, second mo na when it comes to really competing with a group, diba?
Siyempre naman, sanay na sanay na.
Sanay na, I love it. Ito naman, si Mark.
Ang ating criteria for judging, mga kaibigan, 50% performance level, 50% entertainment value, a total of 100%.
Yes!
Lagi nanonood.
Ay, maisingit lang. Eto na, kasama na ni Grace ang ating second team. Ang Team Diva with Team Imuseño.
Let's go! Let's go!
Team Diva, kasama natin ngayon si Mark Heras and Ina Assist.
Team Mars pala.
Ayan. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Team?
Ready na po.
Ito, Mark. Ilang beses ka na sumaya sa This Is It. How is it different this time around? Dahil kalaban mo naman, not just anyone, but other celebrities from GMA.
First time kong gagawin tong kalaban namin yung ibang celebrities. Pero dahil medyo at home na ako sumayaw dito sa This Is It, medyo parang steady lang din.
Steady lang. Parang I can see it in your face na steady ka lang. Very confident. And ikaw naman, Ina, first time mo ba dito sa This Is It?
Yes, first time ko and yun nga, kinakabahan ako. Pero, ayun nga, magaling yung team namin kaya kaya namin silang talunin.
Very positive and very pretty. Ayan, Team Diva, are you ready? Good luck to you guys. The floor is yours.
Yes! Mark Heras, Ina Assist of Team Diva and Team Mars, this is your moment!
Wanna be chillin' in my Beamer, listening to ether, bumping through your speakers. Know I got the heaters, rockin' don't stop. I keep the rockin' don't stop. I'm banging them beats, you know I like to hear about it. Freeze! You know who it is, it's me.
chicken.
Team Diva with Mark Harris and Ina Asistio. Halika. Ikaw ha? Hindi ka naman kinakabahan eh. You were very, very confident.
Talaga? Hindi kasi syempre, may tiwala ako sa team ko, kaya binigay ko rin yung makakaya ko.
At eto, Mark, may tanong ako sa'yo. Kasali ka doon sa team ng werewolves na naghubad ng damit, ng top. Eh, ba't hindi ka nagtaga ng damit?
Tsaka na, nagre-prepare pa ako eh.
Ikaw naman yan ang inaabangan namin dito. Alright, let's ask Rochelle, who's also disappointed.
Nakakainis ka naman eh. Naghubad na yung mga Team Mars, hindi ka pa naghubad. Okay. Sa totoo lang, walang bias dito. Galing akong diva. Okay. Sa totoo lang, ang inaabangan ko dito, hindi na si Mark Heras eh, si Ina na. Kasi may tiwala na ako kay Mark eh, pagdating sa dance floor. Nagulat ako kay Ina, sumabay kay Mark. At saka, umpisa pa lang, hahanapin ko na dito yung parang may love na istorya tungkol sa love. Pero nakita ko yun. Actually, ang iniisip ko si Ina na. Ay, sabi ko sa dalawang to, si Ina lang. Kay Mark kasi wala na. Pero nung napanood ko yung buong ginawa nyo, wala na ako nasabi. Tumahimik na lang ako. Yun na lang yun. Tatahimik na ako.
Thank you so much, Rochelle. And sweet, how do you feel na hindi naghubad ng damit si Mark? Are you with me, sister?
Actually, tama. Yun na. Oo. Well, actually, noong una, disappoint ako bakit si Ina, bakit lumalabas-labas. Bumawi naman. Tumatumbling-tumbling ba itong little girl na ito? Nagulat ako. Gumaling na talagang sumayaw. Oo, feeling ko tinuturuan na talaga ito ni Mark. Feeling ko sila na talaga, girl, no?
Nag-away sila. Ano na?
Biya siguro lagi magkasama, siguro tinuturuan.
Tama.
At saka yung may isang ginawa doon, yung tumbling-tumbling na yon, ginawa yan ni Nadia Montenegro noon sa 14 Going Steady. Yung mga buhat-buhat, oo. In fairness ha, pausay ng pausay itong si Ina, tama si Rochelle. Ang inaabangan na lang talaga namin si Ina bilang si Mark naman bad boy na yan ng dance floor. At
Oy,
saka-
maghuhubad na lang sana, hindi pa
Oo nga,
ginawa.
hindi pa ka pa. Kung ibinigay mo sana, Mark, pasok na sana kay isa ba nga. At saka congratulations din sa Team Mars. Napakahusay ng collaboration with Mark Heras and Ina. So, good luck sa inyo.
Thank you, sweet. Now, tanongin natin si Shivaker.
Yes, Team Diva, talaga na ang ganda ng pasok nyo at talaga napaka-energetic. And I think marami kinilig, no? Kitang-kita yung mga kinilig. At napapansin ko na ang chemistry nyo ay hindi lang sa dance floor. Parang merong ibang chemistry akong napapansin. Hindi ko alam kung totoo yan o hindi. Pero Mark and Nina, congratulations. Napakaganda ng inyong performance. Ako mismo ay nagulat si Mark. Alam natin, napakagaling na dancer. Pero si Ina, merong cartwheel, merong mga tumbling na hindi ko nakita sa buong buhay ko at hindi ko in-expect. Pati ako ay nagulat at parang nagkape lang ako ng umaga na nakita ko ang very good performance.